Alright. Oh, playing Papa's Cheeseria.
Yes.
Let's go.
I'm actually gonna make my character kind of look similar to me, actually.
Okay, I'm gonna make mine look homeless. Ah, yes.
That's kind of bogus.
My guy's a sex offender, by the way.
Oh, that's pretty fucked up. But...
It is. I mean, I didn't wish that on him.
You didn't wish that. Wait, what? You don't want to make you then. Okay, that's so nice. Leave my character. Damn, man.
Alright.
Wait.
Alright, we got one person. Alright, yeah, Sasha. It's looking good. Gotta get to the build station again. Whoa! I'll pick the sourdough. Oh no, that's just white bread. Okay, yeah.
I used to have pretty cool long hair like that.
Alright, so we're getting this.
Like, get to that hair.
Ooh. Okay, I understand.
I
understand how to play this game now. I understand how to play this game. Alright, looking good.
Dude, I look radical.
Nice, you look radical. Indeed.
My character's photo. I'm gonna show you in a minute.
Alright, Roy. I'm gonna show you this cheesecake. I mean this what is this called again? A grilled cheese. I'm gonna make it my own way for you, and you're gonna love it.
Wait. I thought this was only like a good cheese factory. Why are you putting turkey into your grilled cheese?
This looks great. This is a great cheese grilled. Unfortunately, I will not be giving him his curly fries. I will be giving him straight, long fries.
Oh yeah. You sound like you're eating a sandwich.
Yes.
It's so good.
This looks good. It's not cool. They call me a newbie. I'm a professional. That's not.
Oh yeah, newbie. It's a boy.
What? Oh, this is not cooking cheeses.
You want 2 meats. You want some green lettuce shit.
Let's go! I got Doan and grilled chicken.
You got what? Okay, he wants bacon on it, I guess. And he wants ketchup on it. Boom.
Give him extra chicken with the ranch. Evenly cooked. Let's give it a nice slice. We need the equally shaped cheese.
Oh yeah, look at that. It looks so good. Oh yeah.
Dude, the bacon physics are amazing. Yo. The bacon physics.
Wait. He needs more ketchup. Wait.
He does.
Alright.
Why does the bacon do this? Alright, let's see what you got. Alright, that looks tasty.
No, it doesn't. Look
yes,
so
it
bad.
does. That looks so good.
It looks ill. Look at that.
That looks so good. No, it looks tasty. It looks amazing.
Someone shoved it up the ass, took it back out, and they got the fucking biggest, and they put it inside of the fucking sandwich. It looks so nasty.
No, it looks amazing.
Yeah,
it looks amazing.
Let's see if he likes it.
He'll like it. He'll like it. Don't worry. 66 points. He even tips you. He loves it.
No, I hate mini games. Why? Okay,
evenly cooked fries.
This is an easy mini game. Okay. Ew! Why does it look like
oh yeah, you were doing the chili game.
No, that's beastie. Oh no.
Oh. Why? That's so much harder than the one that I did. Why is that? That's so unfair. That's so unfair. That's
what the hell is that?
That one is so much harder than the one that I did. That is so unfair.
Now I'm getting better.
Yes, good. All right. Let's go.
That is so slow.
Oh man, no tips. No tips. Not cool. I think this one's ready. I think this one's ready for the cut.
want to call this the
Little
lab.
cheese.
Cheese that was probably made in the lab.
It does it for everything, dude. It does this for everything.
But does he want us to cook? Does he want me to cook this? Doesn't look really look cooked.
Does it do it for what?
Okay, yes, I'm cooking it.
No, it does this for everything. This is the glitchiest. Wasn't there for the cut? Oh no! What is this? You gotta give him the R sauce. Yeah, bro.
What?
Click the basket. You can't put it in the frying machine. Click the basket, bro.
I didn't put it is in a basket.
It's
This
got
guy.
all that zesty sauce and the cheese on it, bro. That looks so good.
Yeah, you need to put some cheese on it because this is a cheese place. So fuck this dude. So there you go. I hope you fucking love it.
That looks great.
He gave me 80 points anyway.
80,
Let's
yo,
go.
he loves it.
I'm a fucking.
How does he
boss.
love
I'm a
that?
genius.
Yo, wait. I need to show you something. So stop what you're doing. Take the bacon or any meat and put it slightly to the side, like where it's hanging off.
What the fuck?
Why does it do that?
I don't know. Let's go. That's gorgeous.
It is.
What the fuck? Look at that.
Why does it look like that?
It looks so good. It's glitched.
I know it is. Yeah.
It's glitched. Why?
Like when you
Look
put it
at
on the
it.
cooking thing. Yeah.
Wait. Why is it doing that?
I don't know.
That's funny though. Yes.
Yeah, and by the way, that works for any meat as well. Just not just bacon, but bacon looks
That's
one of the
kind of
funniest.
cool. It's kind of
Yeah.
wag.
Alright. Tomatoes.
She just.
Looks
What?
good.
What kind of bitch gets fries and just bacon on it?
I
What?
mean,
How did I kill it?
You put, I
yeah.
know. I know. You can get fries on. You can get bacon on fries, but you need to have some type of sauce on it.
That's
Like, what the hell?
Gotta get them loaded fries.
Yes. This is insane. I think the bitch who ordered this food, she's like Fat Albert's sister or something.
Fat Albert sister.
Why the fuck did she just want fucking bacon on fries? You know?
Fat Albert's sister. I know it's the closure woman, isn't it?
It is Fat Albert's sister.
It is.
She's ordering this shit.
Alright, let's talk to Fat Albert's sister. Alright, give it a thorough cooking.
It's almost done with the fries, and you can see her beautiful face.
Yeah.
You want to see her beautiful
Wait,
face.
that didn't even cut! That didn't even. Oh, wait, yeah, it did. It's right there.
I think her fries are kind of extra crispy, not gonna lie. But I think that's a good sign. So she can get some good bacon.
Mine are extra crispy in terms of frozen. Like, they're crunchy because they're frozen.
Let's go. Look, it's Fat Albert's sister.
Rhonda. Oh, she didn't like mine.
She didn't like my food? You stupid dumb bitch! Fuck you. I made you delicious food. And you made
Rhonda. Service quality, fries, 0%. I mean, that's probably true.
I hate this.
They love my cheese.
Yeah, bro.
You don't have any tickets to play today. You deciding on that cheese?
Yeah, bro. I'm gonna get some fucking bacon in this shit. We need some. Actually, there you go. Oh yeah,
Oh, do that with the tomatoes as well. It works with everything.
It does?
Yeah, it works with everything, even the
Oh.
tomatoes.
Well, I gave them one tomato.
Yeah,
I messed
that's
it up.
true.
Sadly. You know what? Fuck you. Oh, it didn't do that much though.
It didn't do it too much, but it's
We'll balance it out.
yeah, balance it out. Yeah,
Yeah, fix it up.
balance it out.
Yeah, boom. Shablam. Kablooey. We
That
did
looks
it.
so good.
Look at it.
That looks
Yeah,
great.
get on the grill. Oh my god, it looks so sexy.
It does.
Put that
It's
in my
flying.
mouth.
It's
Call me
flying
Zaddy.
in the sky.
Put that in my mouth and call me Zaddy.
I don't know about that.
Yes, this is so max.
We got Nevada.
What?
That's a
Nevada?
customer. Yeah, Nevada, the customer.
Oh,
She's hot, though.
Nevada.
She's hot.
I
Not
thought
gonna
you
lie.
said Nirvana. I thought you said Nirvana.
No, not Nirvana. No, Nevada.
I was like, yo, no way, I could Cobain.
We gotta give the sourdough bread. Obviously, that's the best bread. By the way, sourdough bread is always the best bread.
Yes, for good cheese. Yes.
Yes, indeed.
Okay, your sandwich is done down, mister. Let's see if he likes my sandwich.
See if he likes your cheesy weezy
Cheesy
sandwich.
Okay, now they make it his fat. Oh my god, it looks so massive. Oh my god.
I still stand by the fact that food should be an art.
Yes.
This is not an exception.
Now we are amazing cooks. We
are amazing cooks and artists.
We are masters at this shit.
That looks good. Oh, you win on them fries?
Yep.
Looks tasty.
I like chubby fries better than
Yeah.
sometimes. Depends, like if it's like if it's at like Jack in the Box, I get curly fries. If it at Hooters, I get curly fries.
Yes. Okay. You gotta cut it.
Alright.
To the fry station. Ooh,
Oh yeah.
It's looking good.
Oh yeah. Oh, double fries. Okay.
Curly fries.
Get
Extra.
Get on a plate.
Extra
goddammit.
curly fries.
Fine.
It won't let me put extra. No.
We're putting some cheese on hers.
Just gonna put some on the table. Just gonna put some ketchup on the
Okay,
table.
look, let's see if Connor likes my food. Point, you stupid ginger bitch.
Bro, why does Connor look like that?
I don't know. This bitch is on a phone on TikTok or whatever.
Yup.
Douchebag.
Are you gonna
That's
take
the
her
damn
food?
phone. I'm gonna make you some food.
Yeah, make her some food.
Food.
Take the sourdough bread. Sourdough. Oh, never mind.
Because she doesn't want sourdough bread.
Oh, well, who cares what she wants? She's on her.
Oh yeah,
she's,
yeah.
You
yeah,
doing TikTok?
Yeah.
Get the sourdough.
Fuck, you know what? No, fuck this bitch.
Yeah.
We'll give it this.
You got. You can't do more than one cheese. Stop.
Okay. We'll give it this.
Yeah.
Give it that. We'll give it that.
Why does it do that?
That.
Wow.
Give this.
Wow.
Hold up. Wait, hold up.
There's some amazing boiling sounds in the background.
Chef, we're gonna put some.
Yo, that
zesty
is
sauce.
looking good. Some of that zesty sauce, dude.
We'll put more zesty sauce, actually. More zesty sauce. More zesty sauce. Zesty on that shit.
Yeah,
You know what?
bro.
No, I know what? This is actually my piss, so fuck you, bitch. Okay, now we'll boom!
Yeah.
Look at that.
That's looking so good.
Oh my god. It looks like a flying,
It's a UFO.
it looks possessed, actually. That's how you
Yes.
know it's good. It's possessing.
Yes,
Possessing.
very much. Get the swirly bread. Get the swirly cheese. Swirly bread. Swirly cheese. Well, oh, I got the wavy stuff. The swirly / wavy bacon. What would be swirly sauce? Swirly. I guess zesty sauce would be the closest to swirly sauce. All right. Everything is very swirly here. All right, we're not cooking it. That's
Look at
just
that
how we
good
roll.
cheese.
Oh yeah, that's looking nice.
Looking busted. Trying to kiss this bitch on the cheek.
Or
Today,
sauce.
this bitch kind of pissed me off, so I'm gonna.
Yeah, undercook them slightly.
And then take them slicing and give it
Get
all
some of
that.
that R sauce. See, if
Oh,
you do
yeah.
it a little bit behind, it'll go on the table.
Oh yeah. Oh,
No,
yeah.
no. Like other.
Oh
behind,
yeah. Oh
behind
yeah. I
the
know what
plate.
he's talking. Yeah, now I know what he's talking about. Yeah.
Yes. There's some on the table. Nice job.
We
That
need to
looks
give her a
good.
lot. We need to give her a lot, actually.
Yes, give a lot of that zesty sauce.
Fuck you.
All right, Melvin seems to be having some fun.
Oh damn, Ethan.
Ooh.
You probably the one for me, baby. No, never mind. She doesn't like me. I hate you too, Ida.
You should kill her.
Yeah, I should.
Yes.
I hate this guy.
Everyone's
too.
orders.
I hate this guy.
Why you hate him?
He looks like he was probably make out with me or something, so I'm kind of scared.
He looks like he's rich. He's a businessman.
Oh yeah, I would let him touch me then.
Yes. And Hank, the
Hank is
policeman,
kinda-
Hank Schrader from Breaking Bad.
No way.
Breaking Bad, and he's a policeman as well. All right. Wait, you can put the bread on lopsided here.
Alright, I'm gonna toss some bacon on that shit.
You can
Some
also just
bacon.
like completely not cut the thing as well.
Completely not cut it.
Yes. Frozen.
Dude, you want some buffalo sauce? It looks kind of weird, I'm not gonna lie, but that's some buffalo sauce.
Hmm. I don't care about your opinion.
Hank, I'm gonna kiss
0 points.
you up.
Ah, what a nice day. Looks like we're closing. Today's service: fry 100%, cook 190%. Wow, that's so good.
Hopefully Hank likes my food.
No way.
Actually, I'm built different, dude. I'm gonna kill him.
Yes.
He doesn't know I have all that swag on me.
You got the MLG 360 no scope swag.
I have the Obey hat.
Yes, you got that Mountain Dew and Doritos.
Yeah,
MLG.
I do. I have a whole bags. I have a bunch of bags of it, and like in my wagon. That's
Your
the
wagon.
Amish person. Yeah.
Wow, that sounds so fun.
Yeah, he was like, "Give me back my wagon." I said, "You guys don't even care about the future, so you don't have."
But you didn't give back the wagon. You
Yeah,
took it.
I didn't want to. I didn't want to give it back. I wanted to keep it.
And you could ride down hills with it for fun.
Yes, and probably bash my head on the road or something.
That's true.
Give my.
Might probably hurt. You
I
could kill
probably either
yourself.
get knowledge or just get more brain damage.
Yeah.
I probably got the opposite, and I probably did get brain damage.
Yeah.
So,
He's sad. My dude is sad. Not cool. So not cool, man. Not cool at all.
oh, you can shake the face.
Alright, I'm getting better at my art of cooking. Let's see if Brody likes it. How does he not like it? That's the most normal one I've made so far.
Ginger cunt. I fucking hate you. I hope you kill yourself. I hope you bash your fucking face on the keyboard and get home. I hope your fucking stepsister cut off your cock. Fuck you.
Sounds like it would hurt.
It's sourdough. Sourdough, okay.
Yes, you need the holy cheese. The cheese with holes in it, that's why it's holy cheese.
Put it placed down like this, right?
Yes, perfectly in place, right in the middle. Perfect. Oh.
Okay.
Do,
Some chicken.
do. Perfectly in the
Perfect.
middle. It's nice. Alright, now
Juice
you
is
cannot
gonna pickle.
overcook it, you cannot overcook it, you cannot undercook it.
Alright,
Cook
show
it
me.
perfectly.
You show me how to cook it. So is it supposed to just be orange?
I don't know. So the problem is I'm not actually sure how to cook it.
I must put the zesty sauce.
You must put the zesty sauce on.
Let me get Eddie. Let me get Eddie.
You gotta get ready. Okay. Okay.
Okay.
I'm ready to destroy this competition with
Yes,
you.
we are gonna destroy the woman.
Sure.
We're gonna put this best sauce in her mouth.
Yeah,
love
zesty
it.
sauce. Zesty
So then
sauce.
when it's done,
3, 2, 1. Done.
boom.
Look at how
Boom,
good they're
look
looking.
at it. Okay.
Now put the zesty sauce on.
Zesty sauce.
And waves. Like no, don't do it. You gotta do it nice looking. You gotta like give it nice waves. Alright, you can just make it striped. Yes, like that. That looks good.
It's almost done.
Yeah, sure, man. That's good. That's good.
Oh, Shablam, it should be done. Please tell me you love it. Please.
Come on, Don. How? What? 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 That makes no sense. You literally went perfect. There was nothing wrong about that. How?
Hopefully she likes my food. If she doesn't like it, then I'm gonna cry and then kill myself.
That sounds very sad.
Yeah.
I don't think you should do that. That's not very fun.
She's just so beautiful. Hopefully she likes my food.
Remember, suicide does not end the pain. You only move it to other people.
Really?
So please do not kill yourself.
Yeah. Hopefully she likes my food.
Oh, look at yours. Ooh, that's nice golden brown, bro.
Kind of bust and bust. Bust.
Looking good.
Mass. Look at that. Wow. That's a masterpiece. I'm gonna put my cock in a blender.
That sounds like it would hurt.
We did this perfectly.
That sounds like it would hurt indeed.
Nah. It's just like.
Oh, it's not centered. No.
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 Fucked up. No.
Roy, how do you like your grilled cheese, Roy?
Oh, that.
1 point. At least it's not 0. I think I passed. It's the radish girl.
No way.
She's hot. The Radlin. Oh, that's why she's a radish. Okay. Radlin. What kind of name is Radlin? Who names their child
I
Radlin?
don't know. That's a pretty shitty name. It's pretty fucked. That's a pretty shitty ass name. That name sucks.
Radlin.
What's good about this?
Who the hell would name their fucking daughter that? That's such a
don't know.
terrible name. Very
I have
bad
no
name.
idea. Oh yeah. Okay.
Or son, or whatever.
Or whatever.
Or unicorn, or whatever.
Give me an option.
Like, who the fuck would name their son or unicorn or pet?
Hello,
Whatever.
my name is Radlin.
My name is, Slim Shady.
Tomatoes. Papa's Raceway. Play it.
We'll play
Yeah.
again. We need to play again.
Oh, let's go.
Oh,
Win the
shit.
race.
Fuck you,
Yo.
cop.
Drunk driving. No, they're pinning
No.
you. They're pinning you down.
Fuck you, cop.
Yo.
I'm gonna win. No.
No.
You stupid
No.
bitch.
Hank Schrader's in the lead.
You Prince of Thoughts. Fuck you.
Come
Move out the
on.
way.
You can do
No,
this.
you like that bitch.
No.
Sim.
No.
Oh my god.
Come on.
No.
No.